S. I is for insect. I is for igloo. I is for the internet. I is for ink. I is for injury. I is for imagination. You know some I words now. Let's make the letter I sound. E, 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 E. Your turn. E, 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 E. I.
Hello everyone, I am Samir and I will be your English teacher for the coming few weeks. If you have not seen the previous lessons, hit the subscribe button below and watch all the lessons on our channel. Let's get started. This is an uppercase I. This is a lowercase I. Very good. Now we learn phonics. I sounds E, E, E. Now it's time for vocabulary. I for igloo, igloo, igloo. What is this? This is an igloo. I for ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. What is this? This is an ice cream. I for ink, ink, ink. What is this? This is an ink pen. I for ice, ice, ice. What are these? These are ice cubes. Yay! We are done with yet another lesson. If you liked the lesson and if you learned something, hit the subscribe button and become a part of our family. See you on Saturday.